Hi there, it's Kathleen here, and today I have a process video for the Sunday sketch over at Citrus Twist Kits. And this was a sketch, or is a sketch that I'm working on. And as you can see, it's for an 8.5 by 11 inch page, but you could easily adapt this to a card or a 12 by 12 layout, whatever you like working on. So I already went ahead and cut out or punched out some circles. I think they are 1.5 inches wide. I'm not exactly sure right now. Yeah, so I just picked a few pattern papers and at first I thought I was going to use this photo, so I also punched out some circles from some of the floral pattern papers, and I will change the photo later, you will see it in a bit, but for now I just went ahead and arranged the circles. This was actually the easiest part. I love circle layouts, and I think especially because there are always lots of round embellishments available, and you can just easily punch them. It's very easy to create different embellishments, different layers and so on. So as you can see, I also added in, so one of the circles, the first one in the second row, is a sticker from the Pinkfresh Studio, the Mix #2 sticker sheet. And it was the perfect size, the same size as my punched circles. So I changed my photo, and now before I go ahead and embellish the circles or stick them down, I want to work on the lower part of this layout. And you can see in the sketch to my right that there is a paper strip, a white paper strip behind the photo cluster. And I'm trying to find the right pattern paper to use here, but you know, I don't know, I tried different ones. I didn't want to bring in one that I haven't used in the circles. So I tried different ones, but it always feels kind of wrong. So yeah, I take it off, and then I thought that I might try to cut down this paper here, which is actually the backing in the mini alphabet stickers from the Paige Evans Pink Paisley Pick Me Up collection. And it was perfect because it had the same colors that I used for my circles. So I trim this down, try it again, and so on, and I do this over and over and still not happy, so I cut a different part that also includes the blue, which I like much better, but still it feels wrong to have like a big blocky paper strip at the bottom of this page. So I trim it down more and more, and then I got kind of stuck, so I thought I would work on the title. Then I went back to, you know, the paper itself, the paper strip, so I was struggling a bit with this part. You can see that in the sketch there is a tag peeking out from behind the photo, and I thought, I wanted to keep this and use this to add my journaling, but I wanted to be able to slide the tag in and out, so I used the vellum that came in the kit to stitch a pocket. That's what I'm showing you right here. So I just trimmed a piece of paper down to fit behind my photo and then stitched it together to create a little pocket that would hold this tag that came in the, I believe, the Dear Lizzie die cut package. So yeah, these are the things that I'm now sure that I will keep. So this stripy paper backing from the stickers and my vellum bag. But I will take off the paper strip again and then work on the title. And this hello piece is from the Dear Lizzie die cut package, and the glittery one is also from the Dear Lizzie collection, but it only included these kind of title die cuts. Some in gold glitter and some in white. But the gold glitter ones were a bit too big, I think, for this placement. I didn't want to overpower this layout or, you know, to take up too much of the white space, because it was already kind of full. So yeah, I put them aside and continue working on the circles because clearly the upper part was much easier for me than this, the lower half of the layout. And you can see that I stuck to the sketch very closely actually. I changed very few things, so only this paper strip behind the photo cluster that I got rid of, and this circle that is also stitched on top of this paper strip. I didn't use that, but other than that it's pretty close. So yeah, so I finally attached or glue down my circles because I know I want to keep them, and I'm not going to use a ruler or anything, just eyeballing them, trying to get them as straight and evenly distributed as I can. And I don't mind if it's not perfect because I actually like it better when it's not 100% perfect and evenly spaced, or, you know, completely straight, because I don't know, it's just something that I like better. So behind this circle sticker from the Pink Fresh, the mix number 2 sticker sheet, I added some light pink thread to add some more yeah, texture and dimension, and I also stitched down the circles, or some of the circles, and added this heart sticker, for example. And now I'm finally committing to this photo cluster. So I decided I'm not going to use a paper strip behind it. I'm just going to pop it up on some foam tape and just add some embellishments around it in a second, but other than that I won't do anything to the photo cluster. So now I'm back to the circles. You can see I'm going, I don't know, back and forth between the two parts of the layout. Yeah. And here I remember that I had these Pink Fresh Studio epoxy wood buttons from the BU collection. They come in the embellishment kit, and of course they are the perfect addition to this layout because, you know, circles. And I took off the foam backing, or yeah, the foam adhesive from this Love button that I added, and also from this dark blue one, because they added too much dimension, I thought. So yeah, and then just used some liquid glue to adhere them to my layout. So now I'm back to I ditched the title again and continue embellishing because that's much more fun. So I got out the Pink Paisley Pick Me Up puffy sticker sheet, and I'm just adding some teeny tiny flowers and stars that match the colors from the circles around on my page. And then I know that I have to get back to the title because that's, you know, kind of the only thing that's still missing. And I like this Good Times Ahead, but it's just too big, so I also thought about cutting the ahead off so it only says Good Times, but I decided against it. So I'm going to use this Hello piece and the mini alphabet thickers that are also from the Pick Me Up collection. There's 2 sheets included, one with the white alphabet stickers and one with the navy blue ones. And I'm normally not really good at mixing different colors and fonts in titles, but I really liked how it looked here, and that this scripty hello word added some kind of, I don't know, it's a bit more loose and not as straight and strict as the rest of the layout. So yeah, it kind of loosens it up a little bit, I think. So just adding some paint splatters in this corally pink, red, whatever color, and some navy blue. And off camera I will add my journaling on this tag as some hidden journaling, some phrase stamps on some of the circles, and oh yeah, and I also typed some journaling on a piece of white, you know, just printer paper, and placed it in between the first and the second row. So that's it, and I hope you liked it, hope you have a great day, and see you soon. Bye!